everyone! Welcome back to Signature Market. I'm Shyan, I'm a personal trainer, I'm a chef and also a CrossFit athlete for at least 8 years. Today, I'm going to teach you a very simple and healthy bakery. So this is my first bakery, so I hope you will like it. Before you start to watch this video, click the like first. Yeah! I'm going to introduce the ingredients for today. We have a roasted cashew nut with skins. Why with skins? Because more fiber, yeah? Pistachio kernels, California walnut, raw cane sugar from Signature Market, berry treasures, organic cinnamon powder, gluten-free instant oats, fresh milk, we have a high protein flour, fresh blueberry, 2 eggs, baking powder, sea salt, vanilla essence, and also the melted butter. Right, first thing, we're going to mash the nuts into a very small pieces. Just mash until the texture that you want. Guys, remember what are the dishes that I'm doing today? I also forgot to mention at the starting, yeah? Today we are doing a blueberry protein muffin. Use the big bowl, very big bowl, giant bowl. We start from all the dry ingredients first. Now we have the high protein flour, cinnamon powder, cane sugar from Signature Market, instant raw oats. This is a gluten-free raw oats, baking powder, salt, and now we're going to stir all the dry ingredients. Just stir around until it mixes well. The next step, we're going to put in all the wet ingredients. Dig a hole here, put in the melted butter, 2 eggs, vanilla essence, and lastly is the fresh milk. So we're going to stir this until the dough shape. The last part, we only put in the fresh berries and also the berry treasure. Mix around. Very simple. Next time we're going to put into the paper cup. Easy, just scoop it. Use a spoon to scoop it. Put into the mold. Before that, we need to straight away put onto the baking tray. Where's the baking tray? Come on, guys! Where's the baking tray? Tray there, guys! Ah, tray, okay. So, straight away put onto the baking trays. Beside the baking tray, we also have the mashed frying trays, which is this one. They use for air fry. Put your chicken, put your nuggets on top of it, and then air fry. Right, make sense? So just put all the ingredients into the paper cup. Sprinkle all the nuts on top of this lovely muffin. This is the first tray. The next tray, I'm going to pour all the nuts into the big bowl. Cool, right? So I'm going to stir, and then the texture will be different. So make sure all the ingredients are well mixed with the nuts. So we're going to put into the muffin cup again. Put into the oven, upper tray and lower tray. Press the on button, choose a menu. Let's go for a baking, 25 minutes. Just press the start. This is a preset menu. Just follow this, you won't go wrong. If you go wrong, don't find me. It's your problem. No, just joking. You can adjust the temperature here, you can adjust the timing here. So, it's very simple, it's very flexible and user-friendly. Press the start. Alright, 25 minutes. Now, I'm gonna bring out my blueberry protein muffin. So guys, see. Wow, you see the blueberry burst. Alright guys, this is my blueberry protein muffin. And again, I have a comment and win session for you. Guys, how many muffins that I did in today's video? Comment down here. The create with the best creative answer will be stand a chance to win away this multi air fryer oven from Khind. So guys, if you like this video, all this kind of healthy cooking video, please like, share and subscribe to Signature Market YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!